Hello and welcome to this month's Technical Corner. My name is Sebastian Alvarez. Last month we went over the LU600's new data bridge feature, effectively making the unit a mobile broadband hotspot. This month I'll be introducing the new Solo HDMI unit, and also going over how to install your new HEVC card and the benefits that HEVC can bring you. Last month we launched the new LiveU Solo HDMI unit. This unit has the same functions and capabilities as standard Solo, but only has HDMI input. It is the first self-contained fully bonding streaming unit that's under $1,000 with a price tag of $995. It also includes the bundle with the first year the Solo Portal for $1,445. So switching gears, I'm going to show you how to install your LiveU HEVC Pro card into your LU600. The very first thing you want to do is check your version on your 600. Do this by selecting the gear options and then go into the About menu, and you can see your software version here. When the card arrives, it comes in this small box, and before you start this, you want to make sure your LU600 is powered off by turning it off with the power button, and you also want to remove the battery located down here. And to do so, you want to detach the battery using the tab on the bottom of the LU600. So we're just going to take the battery off. Now we can open up our box and get our HEVC Pro card ready for installation. First step is to remove the old card. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver for this. This fits into these screws on the top of the card. So we're just going to remove these screws. Make sure you put these screws in a safe place because we're going to need them to secure the new card into the machine. Once the screws are removed, go ahead and lift up on the card by the SDI connector and pull the card out until it's clear of the unit. And when we place the new card, we're going to place it into the slot just below the screw holes on each side. You can see them here and here. We can now take our new HEVC Pro card out of the static sleeve and give it a quick inspection, make sure it didn't get damaged on shipment, and place it into the grooves on the unit. And push the card all the way in and make sure it's seated flush with the unit. Now we're going to replace the screws and tighten them down, securing the card into the 600. Now we're going to reattach our battery back into the 600. Make sure the pegs line up with the holes, and we push the battery forward so it's flush with the unit. And the last step will be to power the unit back on. Once it's powered on, the unit will start downloading the new firmware for the card, and make sure you contact support to have the latest software uploaded to your unit. So the benefits to having an HEVC card: it enables H.265 encoding. This lowers the required bitrate for the HD streams up to 50% in some cases. This will allow 4K streaming on the LU600 when paired with the LU4000. Extends the battery life of the LU600 up to 4 hours. So a quick example why this is beneficial: with the old card, it would transmit at about 7 megabits per second bitrate. With a 50 gigabyte per month plan, that roughly translated to 16.6 hours of streaming time. With the new HEVC Pro card, that bitrate requirement is lowered to 4 megabits per second. With the same 50 gigabyte per month plan, this translates to 29.1 hours of streaming, an additional 12.5 hours streaming time per month. So I hope you enjoyed this demo of how to install the HEVC card and our quick introduction to the LiveU Solo HDMI unit. I'm going to leave you with a video demonstrating the HEVC encoding versus H.264 encoding at low bitrate and normal bitrate. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.